Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing DreamMe. In this video, we will show you how to use the DreamMe L10 Prime robot vacuum properly. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. Preparation. Choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 0.5 meters on both sides. Connect the power cord. A solid on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. Install the base station extension ramp. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Remove the protective film from the top cover, and pull out the robot protective strips. Please ensure that all protective film is removed before use to avoid interference and operational issues. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Install the side brush and mop assembly.
Mop pads installed.
Align the robot's charging contacts toward the charging base, then dock the robot.
Start charging.
Take out the water tank, add an appropriate amount of clean water. Note that detergent should not be added into water tank on this model, otherwise the internal structure will be damaged. Close the tank lid and reinstall the water tank into the charging base. Connect to app. Take out the robot and open the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot, or search DreamMe Home in the App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the DreamMe Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. Please enter the cell phone number, email and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to you by DreamMe. Set password for your account. In the subsequent login, you can choose to use the phone number login, DreamMe ID login, or the third-party login at the bottom of the page. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Open the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the homepage to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface. On app interface. You could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you want the robot to connect to. Follow the guidance on the app and make sure the robot is powered on. Tick the checkbox, then click Next. Press and hold the power button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds, and when you hear the voice prompt, tick the checkbox and click Next.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Click the button and join the DreamMe Vacuum hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot DreamMe Vacuum and connect to it, then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep the robot and phone as close to the router as possible. Wait for the robot to successfully connect to the network and verify the connection result. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi indicator light on the robot will be solid on. After connecting, click Me at the bottom right, and then Settings at the top right. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use Map Settings. Go back to the home page and click Go to the device page. Tap the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter settings, more functions, enter voice and volume. You can switch the language and adjust the volume. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. You can choose Start Fast Mapping or Start Cleanup to build a map. In Start Fast Mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. For Start Cleanup, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. If you have multiple floors in your home, open Multi-Floor Maps to create and save a map of up to 3 floors. When you are finished mapping, click on the map to edit, partition or merge the maps. Return to the main screen of the map, click No-Go Zone. You can edit the No-Go Zone and virtual wall. First time use map settings. Go back to the home page and click on Cleaning Mode. You can set the cleaning mode, suction settings, and dampness of mop pad. You can also set personalized suction and water volume for each area by clicking Customized Cleaning. If the auto-generated cleaning sequence doesn't meet your needs, customize it by clicking Cleaning Sequence. Go back to the home page, click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings. You can also set the carpet cleaning mode as you want in Carpet Cleaning Settings. You can also enter Intelligent Mopping setting to turn on wider coverage of edges and corners features and set the frequency as needed. After turning on wider coverage of edges and corners, while cleaning along the edges and corners, the robot will swing its body to increase the cleaning coverage of mop pad. Enter Robot Management. You can turn on the child lock, resume cleaning mode and do not disturb mode. After turning on the resume cleaning mode, the robot will automatically return to the dock to charge if the power is low during cleaning dock. When the battery is sufficient, the robot will continue cleaning. You can also control the robot through the remote control. Go to Accessory Usage menu. You will see the lifespan of each accessory. Please replace new one before it get expired to ensure the robot works properly. These are the instructions for the first time use of DreamMe L10 Prime.